Hello, you lovely bunch. Welcome back to issue number 28 of Warhammer Age of Sigmar Mortal Realms. This week's issue came with 3 spirit hosts and a new painting guide for the entire army. I do paint the army, but I am going to leave pictures of that until they are fully painted. I think in the next couple of issues it's just like the bases to finish off. Anyway, spirit hosts. They were incredibly fiddly. If you have super glue and baking soda, they will come in incredibly useful. There are some fiddly bits. You have to attach a jawbone, but whatever. We got through it in the end, and they are actually really cool looking and menacing looking minis. So I was happy with how they turned out. The super glue and baking soda didn't really take away any detail, so once they were fully assembled, I celebrated in the best way possible. And for how fiddly they were to put together, to paint, they were incredibly simple. It was just 2 paints really. I'll put the paints I used up on screen. So yeah, just 2 paints. Dry brushing brings out awesome detail. Then all I had to do was paint the roses in the hair. And the skulls on all of the minis. The hilts of all the swords were painted gold. I'm pretty sure this is them like complete now. Like I said, it's just the bases. Then here it was the there was 2 minis that had hourglasses, so they just need to be painted blue. Then a bone colour, was used on the skulls of the horses. And here are the finished spirit hosts. So, if you would like to support the channel, you can do so on Patreon. And I suggest you check out those benefits. I will see you next time.